Yes, good day all. I'm in Erasmus University Hospital in Belgium. If you look around, let me just show you a little before I say what I want to say. This is a very big hospital. If you know it, you Google it, you can see what I'm talking about. This is Erasmus Hospital, University Hospital in Belgium. It is situated in Brussels. What do I want to say? I just want to talk about Abia State. You can see what is going on in Abia State with Alex Oti. First of all, I want to say a very big shame to Orji, a very big shame to Okezie Ipkeazu, a very big shame to Theodore Orji. These men and their predecessors, they were governor of Abia State, and Abia State, for me, for much I know, Abia State was a laughing stock. But the existence or the when Oti came on board, you can see what Oti has turned Abia State to become. Abia State is no longer a laughing stock. At least Abia State can boast of constant electricity. Abia State can boast of good roads, constant electricity, water is running. There is always street lights in all the streets. All the major roads are busy working. If you go to Abia State, you will never believe that is that Abia State you used to know. Right now, they are putting up airport, an international standard airport in Abia State. Do you understand? So I'm making this video simply to say these words to this man. Orji Okezie Ipkeazu, Theodore. When you go back to Abia State now, how do you feel? How do you feel to ply the good roads? How do you feel about constant electricity? How do you feel about how people are happy, in their own state? Ariaria is Ariaria used to be an international market, and it has come back to its old glory. It's now a super international market. You understand? Nobody can contest that. So why am I making this video? Is to teach these useless men, Orji Okezie. I was watching him moving about, raising his shoulders like he has done anything to Abians. From much I know, Orji Okezie only sold Abians to Fulanese. What he did in Low Panther, he gave out a piece of land to Fulanese who have continued in annihilating and unaliving our people. So I must say this in a jiffy: those land Orji Okezie gave out must be recovered. It has to be recovered. Do you get my point? It has to recover, because there is no reason giving out land just for political position, because you want to come out for a position in whatever, you want to become a senator or you want to be governor, then you gave out land to your masters. You became a stooge to Fulanese. This is not what we are known as. Igbo people. The Igbos are not known to sell themselves. The Igbos are not weaklings. We are not known to be, someone cannot overshadow us in any form. Everybody knows that. We are not to be underrated. Igbos are never to be underrated. But Orji Okezie and his cohort haven't done what they did, selling land to people, to enemies, which is not allowed by any standard. So this is the reason why I'm making this video. When they go back to Abia State now, I want to hear from them how they feel, how they see what Alex Oti is doing. In fact, if you go to Abia State, you will never believe that it's Abia State you used to know. Everywhere, all the roads, no road was good. Now, when you go now, you see that almost all the roads are intact and on point. Street lights, stop lights, pedestrian crossing of all levels, standard, international standard. This is what this man, and why I love Alex Oti? Alex Oti said after his second tenure as a governor, he will resign from active politics. This is a man. This is a man. I respect him so much, and I love his ways too much, because you cannot just come because you want to become a senator after your 8 years, then you start dancing to the tune of the enemies, bringing and selling your own people and killing your people for political position. Alex Oti is not somebody like that, but Orji Kanu, Okezie Ipkeazu, and Theodore, I think they are, and they did sold their people. We are not known to be that. Do you understand? And this is why I'm making this thing. Sorry, I came here, sometimes I take little time out to come and check people that are sick. If I have €1, $1, I give as a help, even though that the insurance are taking, seeing to their daily whatever, but still, we still have to do what we can do. You understand? We come here, we make them happy in a little way we can. The last time I was also in another hospital. This is another one I am today. So I just left my job today, take my time, and just come out here to do little I can. So I say thank you so much to Dr. Alex Oti and what you are doing in Abia State and what you have done already. What you have done already, I don't think any governor in any state have done it, because I cannot remember of any state having constant electricity. So for that alone, you have shown that you can grow an economy of a certain place. At least with electricity, the area market will be busy. People who are into fashion, people who are into production, they are busy doing their things. And this is what we want in our region. Not somebody like Orji Kanu doing nonsense. Orji Kanu ruled for 8 years. He never remembered that he will build an international airport. Okezie never remembered that he will erect an airport. Making Abia State a laughing stock for no reason. They have the resources, they have the manpower, and they have all what it takes to fix a state, but they refuse to do it. Thank you, Dr. Alex Oti, and I respect you so much. I thank you, and God will continue to bless you and continue to give you good health to complete what you have started. Shame on Orji Kanu, shame on Theodore Orji, shame on Okezie Ipkeazu, shame on them, because they are stooge to Fulanis, and we don't want them in our region. Thank you so much.